Today we're going to be road testing a 1970 E-Type 4.2 liter Series 2 Coupe in Regency Red. It's been owned long-term by a friend of Autosport and a collector, and is in exceptional condition. We're going to take it for a ride, and maybe you'll want to compare this road test video to the Series 1 that we did yesterday. Series 2s are known to be some of the best driving E-Types. Whether people like where the new bumpers and taillights are, that's another story. But I happen to like them very much. My dad had a exact car, other than the 4-speed. He had an automatic and my brother drove it through the garage door by accident. These things happen, I'm told. So, we'll see you on the road. Okay, well, we're gonna start the car cold. Show you that the choke works as it should. Idle runs up. We'll lower it up as we get on the road. Please disregard the handbrake light over here because it's flickering. We're going to have to adjust the fluid level. We should have done that before we drove it on a road test, but it's the small things and it's an easy fix. You can tell that it's just the fluid level basically, because when you go like this, it flashes on and off. So we're going to warm it up a little bit and do our usual. Hey, get out of the way! I have no horn! I'll have to fix the horn. That will be on our list. And we can go from there. Well, as we're warming it up, and the windows are up because the mic is not actually working today, we're going to turn the air conditioning on. And yes, I did say air conditioning. And it actually works really, really well. Nice. Warm it up a little bit more. Hit the twisties. We're probably going to try a different area today for flybys. You know, mix it up a little bit. She brakes well. She steers well. She tracks well. The gearbox and clutch are really, really good. The car spent quite a few years in a museum, and its last ownership, and prior to our taking it on trade, it went through about approximately $30,000 worth of recommissioning, as they put it. I just say it was a lot of service, but it's brought us to this exceptional condition, and previous owner is one of us who likes to drive the cars, so that's really, really important to me, because I'm not really a trailer clean guy. Hope you're enjoying it so far. Not a whole hell of a lot else to tell you, so we'll let the car speak for itself just a little bit, and for our driving pleasure, we can turn the radio on. It's actually quite nice. Now we're going to turn it off so you can hear us. Wish I knew how to do that. Oh, there you go. It is not easy without glasses. Catch up to a BMW 316 that we just saw, which is really cool. I think 6-cylinder Jags have some of the best exhaust notes for English. There. It says it's a 320, but I can't agree, even though it's his car, because it only has single headlights. I never saw a 320 with single headlights. Maybe it is a 320. Maybe it's a Speciale, an a German Italian special. And we just got thumbs up. So that was pretty cool. To drive on the back roads as well, as we call it, the twisties. It's comfortable around town as well. They're just cool cars. My dad had E-types when I was growing up. He even sat in the back of these things in the 2+2s, so I think they're very cool. Even cooler when the AC is on. No pun intended, I say. I say. So we're back to Suburbia here. There are 3 things that we will be fixing for sure. The map light, the brake light, and the horn, which we don't have. Other than that, everything is working. She feels really, really good. What she really needs is some time and a good destination to drive her to. So I hope you enjoyed this one.